this wall, there's 3 windows. We did such a good job, I can't tell where they were. So it's nice and smooth. We restuckled, we repainted this whole thing. I don't think you could ever tell the windows were here. Only the homeowner knows, and me. Hey everybody, it's Renzo. I'm here in Whittier. We're at a client's home over here. We used to have 3 windows which were removed, and you can see we restuckled the wall. It looks like we couldn't even tell if the windows were ever there again. Before he had a passage normal swing door. We added a patio door here. There was also an inside door that led into a bedroom. We closed that off. Before there was just a plain door. Now we have a nice big patio door. Grandkids can run in and out of here. It's a patio, it's an Anlin door. You can see how smooth it goes. Go effortlessly. Low E3. You can see the green tint on it. Inside is perfect. We redid the casing around the door. You can see the wall's perfect. So we redid this whole wall. Before there was a door here that entered the bedroom. We put wainsboard here. You know, so chairs and things could back up into it. It's a really nice design. Alright, and if you ever need any home improvement upgrades, let us know. David and I, we know how to take care of it. We're good at designing, and we're good at the work we do, and we do it quickly and efficiently. Please like and subscribe. Make some comments, please. People in UK, come on. I see you guys watching. Make some comments. We'll talk to you later.